Hi, everybody. Today we will lean on the religion versus spirituality debate in light of the Congo religion, the Bukôngo, with an emphasis on the divine science as being an exact science. Welcome to the channel Zidalova of Dr. Yaluka. To begin, please subscribe and tick the notification bell in order not to miss our videos. Thank you for joining. As the Portuguese accosted on one of the banks of the Congo River in the 15th century, one of their intents was to introduce their religion, Christianity, to the African people they met. Due to the difficulty of communication, the Congo people, the Bukôngo, had first to reflect and find in their culture the equivalent of the concept being presented by the white people. They arrived to the conclusion that what the Westerners named religion is the equivalent of their concept of nkisi, a concept to be not taken to mean fetish. These equivalence was adopted by the church for 2 centuries. What the Bukôngo means is that religion is like in the culture, the means to develop one's divine power thanks to divine spirits. They didn't issue any notion of religion like most of our brother chemists will do, but they found an equivalent in their own culture. The knowledge we have now of Congo culture and of divine science as an exact science allow us to bring more light in the issue of religion versus spirituality, thanks to the Congo culture. 3 elements support our reasoning in this matter. First, the true nature of the concept of nkisi, which doesn't mean fetish. The demonstrated nature of the concept of kindoki as alluding to knowledge rather than to witchcraft, and even alluding to science according to Foucault. And third, the discovery that divine knowledge among the Bukôngo is an exact science like it was among the ancient Egyptians, the ancient chemists. Contrary to what is wrongly sustained in the popular mind, the word nkisi means power, thus becoming in plural mikisi, and it means also spirits, and thus becoming in plural vakisi. So we have 2 meanings of the same word. Thus, one finds in the nkisi hierarchy at the highest level, God has the highest nkisi, or the highest mpungu. Mpungu and nkisi being synonymous. And God is thus called mpungu tulendo, the mpungu or the nkisi, which includes all authority. At the second level, we have the Vikinda, or the transcendent divine celestial spirits. And then come the Bakisi, the manifestations of the Vikinda in the temporal plane. The word kindoki alludes to the different phases of the initiatory process. and to the experience undergone by the initiate during his training in the forest. Kindoki is a knowledge that confers to the initiate a power and an access to the assistance of the spirits. Thus, we learn from Bukôngo that, first of all, the Kindoki is the means to attain to the Nkisi as power and spirits. Second, the Kindoki can be divine or human, demonic being fought and condemned in Bukôngo. And third, the practice of the human Kindoki is based in the divine one, because whether he were engaged in the civil initiation or the martial one, the Kongo initiate of the human mystery started always with the teaching of the divine mystery, the divine Kindoki. Thus, we have two concepts. The concept of Kindoki has science, leading to the Nkisi has power and spirits. These are two different notions that need not to be confused. The Kindoki is a science that corresponds to at the divine level to the kemetic cosmological argument, an argument that allows one to state the essential doctrine of solar religion through deduction. Therefore, it is an exact science. Now, the kemetic cosmological argument is a natural systematic theology. Therefore, the divine Kindoki is a religion. This religion, the divine Kindoki, allows one to acquire a power and develop a spirit. That is, it allows the initiate to develop Nkisi, a spirituality. The rejection of the notion of religion by the Kamites is due to the following facts. First of all, the ignorance of the divine practice of African traditional religion, practice which is seen only in the Egyptian Book of the Dead and in Bukôngo. And second, the ignorance that in ancient Egypt, as in Congo culture, religion is based or was based on books. And third, the ignorance that in ancient Egypt, as in Bukôngo, there were commandments of God. If people deny the existence of the commandments of God in ancient Egypt, they cannot eschew their presence in Bukôngo, where they were called Nkondo Minzambi, literally meaning the commandments of God. They were called also Kongo, like the Congo nation. Therefore, these laws were not brought by the white people. Otherwise, it will be anomalous to call them by the very name of the Congo nation, which will amount to a certain superiority, ethical and spiritual superiority of the Black people. And the fact that they were called Congo means that they were fundamental to the Congo culture. In conclusion, the true Congo culture evolves around the knowledge of a scientific religion, which leads to the divine and human practices of spirituality. The human practice is the more popular one, but it should be ideally based on the divine scientific religious knowledge. Therefore, religion and spirituality in light of Congo are inseparable. Thank you. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and share. More on this subject can be found on my books available at Amazon.